Securing your cloud accounts from hackers is more critical than ever. So you can use a physical key to secure your accounts. So, hi, this is Sanjeevjain from CEOITBOX. So, what key am I talking about? So, what kind of key am I talking about? So, it is a physical key known as a U2F key. So, I'm going to show you this on Amazon. So, you can actually go to amazon.in or amazon.com and just type U2F key, and you will find several kinds of U2F keys are available. So, what is U2F key? U2F keys are universal two-factor authentication keys. So they have multiple interfaces. For example, like these ones, you can put them in the USB drive of your computer. Okay. And there are different price ranges, but they are all the same type and they do the same function. So even you can go with this one, which is the cheapest one, like 1,000 rupees only. And here you can see this is phishing. So this one you can also use with the devices like mobile phones having USB-C interface or having NFC interface or even Bluetooth. Okay, so you can also get this one, and this makes it almost impossible for hackers to hack into your account. So like you have a OTP in your account, so now you would be thinking, how should I use it? So very easy. So for example, in case of Google, you can just go to myaccount.google.com. Okay, myaccount.google.com, and under security, go to security, and under security you will go under this signing into Google, and in this you get this two-step verification. So go into two-step verification. So what is two-step verification? The first step is your password, right? So you enter a password, and second step, either you get a SMS or you get you have, there are many other ways, but to the most secure is a physical key. This is the U2F key, and here you click on a U2F key. So once you have purchased a key like this, and here you can add a key, you will click on this, and now when it asks you, okay, now you can insert the key into the interface. So whether it is a USB-A or USB-C or Bluetooth, okay, and then it will authenticate it. Now, even if a hacker comes to know your password, okay, so they will not have the physical key with them and they will not be able to get into your account. So guys, one key can be used with multiple accounts. So, you can actually use the same key to secure, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 accounts. And that way it is the most amazing way to actually, prevent the hacking of your account, because it is becoming very common. And one thing I would also recommend is not to use this only for yourself, but you can also use it for your employees, for your team members. So guys, please go ahead and use this. It is very critical that in the days where hacking is increasing like anything, don't take any chances, and it doesn't cost much. So the cheapest one is around 1,000 rupees. So I hope you find this information useful.